Welcome to the Client Workbook for Financial Coaches. This is a shareable Google Sheet style workbook, also can be downloaded as Excel. So if you are a financial coach and you need some organization and structure to your coaching with clients and your business, we've got your back. This workbook is going to help you streamline, help your client to get organized. I'm going to walk through tab by tab what this workbook is and how it's going to just take your practice to the next level. This is a one-time license purchase, like commercial license. So basically you can purchase this as a one-time cost and then create a new workbook for every client that you have. So let's get going. So as you can see, there's a cover page and you can put their name. You can edit this to your liking with your colors, your logo, whatever you want. So you can put your client's name here. You can put your contact information on the bottom. And then this next one here is going to be an instructions tab. So it is important to read this. It'll help you get the most out of using this workbook, but also I'm going to show you how to get the most out of it as well. So to share with clients, like I say in the instructions, you want to make a master copy of this, edit it to your liking, and then from there, make file and make a copy for each client. You can just rename it with their name. On the resources tab, we've included a few just typical resources you might use in the first few months of coaching, along with links for you there. And the coaching roadmap. This is so important, for clients to be able to see, what are we covering, where are we going, makes you look super organized, and just kind of gives them a plan forward. So we've included two options for maps, a 3-month example, a 6-month example. I know that many coaches have different offerings. And so you can, if you don't even offer 3 months, or you don't offer 6 months, feel free to just highlight these cells and delete and just use one. And we've also included just a running list of topics based on where your client's at and what they've got going on. You might want to just write a reminder here of some helpful topics that would be good to go over with them during your coaching journey, in addition to the roadmap. Progress, this is just a simple progress tracker. Month by month, you can keep track of their progress. So these columns may or may not say these things for that client, but we've just included some examples here. So you can kind of put some starting stats and then every month be able to add things up. And it's exciting for them and for you to see the progress and celebrate the progress. The next 6 tabs are session tabs. And so when you are in a coaching session with a client, you would be able to no longer do the back and forth email thing, a session recap. You just type it straight into this bad boy and they've got their notes live. It updates in the moment, saves automatically, which is so nice. So this is where you and they can keep notes on the coaching session. So we've included action items at the top, what needs to be done between sessions, that can go here. Session notes and resources, and then in between those sessions, you can keep notes down here on any updates. So those are the next 6 tabs. Some clients like to see the year at a glance. And so while this is not a daily budget, this is an annual budget. So they can really map out their salary or their income for the year here. This can also help with those irregular things that tend to pop up for clients. This can help them organize, what birthdays, gift needs do they have, car work. It kind of helps them further organize their year, and then they can then put those numbers into their annual budget, their daily budget. There's also an emergency fund agreement. And so this can help the client decide what is an emergency, what is not an emergency, and create boundaries for themselves, maybe in their marriage, and into when they would touch an emergency fund. And as their coach, you holding them accountable for that. That is going to be it here for our workbook. Let us know if you guys have any questions at all. You can email us at powerhousecoaches@gmail.com, and you can find this workbook on becomingapowerhousecoach.com and then click on store.